Do you have sparse eyebrows? Then you're in the right place. Today I'm doing a very easy eyebrow tutorial. Hi everybody, it's Cathy, and today I'm sharing my tips and tricks on how I fill in my eyebrows. As you can see, I have very sparse eyebrows. I always have. They're very light in color, and I'm missing the tail at both ends because I have hypothyroidism. So my eyebrow tutorial is quick and easy the way that I like to do my makeup. I'm 52 years old. I don't like structured eyebrows. I just like them to look natural. And I've tried several different eyebrow products over the years, and I always come back to the one that I find that works the best for me. Eyebrows are important because they frame the face. They accentuate our eyes. They shape our face, and we use them when we communicate. I know that I'm a very expressive person, and whenever I'm speaking, my eyebrows are always moving. Today I'm using IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil, and I use it in the shade Universal Taupe. It is available in 4 different shades. They're all called Universal. It's either taupe, blonde, dark brown, and auburn. And the thing that I like about this pencil is that, well, for one thing, it has a spoolie on the end, and it works by pressure. So if you need darker brows, you would just press harder, and if you want lighter brows, you just like press normally. So the more pressure you apply, the darker the brow. And it's great because it stays on all day. It does not budge. And just to show you some other products that I also use and love, I love the Dior Brow Show, although I'm not sure if this is still available. I haven't seen it listed anywhere lately. And I have 2 of the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Fillers. So you can go check out my videos, which I will put up in a card, where I did a demonstration using them, and they're great as well as the Brow Power. So I'm going to write a blog post, and you can go to my blog. I'll put the link below in the description box. It's just www.cathyseasybeauty.com, and I'm going to write a little post, and I will have the steps in the blog post if you just want to go over the steps again. So what I like to do is I always like to brush my eyebrows upwards, and then just to see, like, are there any stragglers that need to be trimmed or tweezed out. So there's just really 3 simple steps that I follow. This is how I learned to do my eyebrows way back when, and I've stuck to this plan my whole life. So I take my pencil and you put it against your nostril, and you just want, that is where you want your brow to start. So if you need to, you can just put a little dot there, and then you'll know where to start the brow. So then what I do next is I put the pencil against my nostril on an angle and just slightly go above where the eye ends in the corner. If you have to put a mark, and you can just put the mark there, because you want the brow to end like where the corner of the eye is. And then the next thing is you look straight on in the mirror with the pencil, and right in the middle of the pupil is usually where the arch is. And as you can see, I have the 3 dots, and that is how I want my brow to go. Now, if I'm doing my brows, you've seen me before, I don't do the dots, but if you're just starting out and you need the little guidance, it's good to put the dots there. So I take my pencil, and I'm gonna start at the dot, and I always start a little darker here. And as you can see, I'm just making short, gentle strokes. Now I'm not applying a lot of pressure, but as I come up, I guess the pressure, it gets less. It's kind of hard to explain, but you'll get the hang of it once you're doing it. You're kind of just like gliding over the hair here, but it's still putting product down. And then we're almost at the tip of the brow, or the tail. And as we come down, the strokes are getting gentler and gentler. And as you can see, I'm right in line with the outer corner of my eye. And there I have my brow. And you can see the difference. This eye almost looks higher. It just looks more open. When you do your brows, it just really, I don't know, it just makes your face complete. And that's why I always say I always do my brows and lip gloss every day, even if I don't wear any makeup. So let's go ahead and do this eye. And I'm starting with, not a lot of pressure, but there is pressure. And then as I'm coming up, Just going with gentler strokes outwards. And then you just want to double check. It started at the nostril, it ends the corner of the eye, and the arch is above the pupil. And that's all there is to doing it. Now, if you want to use a brow product instead of a pencil, you can certainly do that. I do it a lot. These are colored. This one is Universal Taupe, so it's the same color as the pencil, but in a liquid, in a brow gel, and they work great as well. Let me know in the comments if you have any requests for any other sort of makeup tips that you would like me to do a video on. If you enjoyed my eyebrow tutorial, I hope that you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It just really helps out my channel to grow with the YouTube algorithm. And for more information, you can check out my blog where I will have the steps listed, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Have a great day and thank you for being here. Bye.